Hey, everyone! If you're looking to boost your income without a full-time commitment, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 amazing apps that can help you earn some extra cash right from your phone. Let's dive in. First up, we have Robinhood. If you've ever wanted to dip your toes into the world of investing, this app is perfect for beginners. With no commission fees, you can trade stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. Just remember, investing comes with risks, so do your research. Next is Swagbucks. This app rewards you for doing everyday tasks like taking surveys, shopping online, and watching videos. It's super user-friendly, and you can cash out your earnings for gift cards or even PayPal Cash. Who knew making money could be so easy? Our third app is TaskRabbit. Got some spare time and skills? With TaskRabbit, you can offer your services for tasks like furniture assembly, moving help, or even cleaning. Set your own rates, schedule, and make money on your own terms. Fourth on our list is Fiverr. If you have a talent, whether it's graphic design, writing, or voiceovers, you can create gigs and sell your services. The sky's the limit on how much you can earn, and it's a fantastic way to turn your passion into profit. Last but not least, we have Airbnb. If you have space to spare, like a guest room or an entire property, you can list it on Airbnb and make money hosting travelers. It's a fun way to meet new people while making extra income. So there you have it. 5 fantastic apps that can help you make money. Robinhood, Swagbucks, TaskRabbit, Fiverr, and Airbnb. The best part?
You can use them in your spare time.
Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on making money and living your best life. Thanks for watching.